Quella da sicurezza avanti.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
But this is just the end of a long investigation journey. The first step is the design of the proper material for the specific application considered. Concerning this fundamental point, CSM has state-of-the-art metallurgical theoretical model stand-specific laboratories able to produce, on a prototypal base, the designed materials. Material analysis starts with the evaluation of microstructural features, fundamental activity for the design of material mechanical properties. Next step is the evaluation of the influence of forming process on material properties and its capability to be used in the pipe-making processes. CSM was successful in developing innovative materials for world-leading pipe manufacturers, such as high-grade welded pipes for gas transmission pipelines and heavy-wall seamless pipes for offshore applications. Material requirements must be then tested and verified according to the most stringent and internationally recognized standards. Once the pipe is ready, it has to be joined to the line. CSM has wide experience on traditional and advanced joining technologies, whether they are for threaded or welded connections. CSM is able to make in-depth investigation on specific topics regarding the most challenging hazards a line has to face during its life. For instance, those related to the use of hydrocarbon rich in H2S, CO2, or other corrosive impurities. Dynamic loads as those induced on risers by sea movement. Thermal-induced combined loads on trunk lines and flow lines in deep water fields. Resistance to accidental impact by third parties. Evaluation of effect of landslides and earthquakes on pipeline integrity. Through this process, CSM was successful in developing innovative structural integrity guidelines for world-leading oil and gas companies. In particular, when challenging operating conditions are envisaged, non-confidential fluids to be transported are considered, such as hydrogen and anthropogenic CO2, which have their own specific safety requirements, or when the operating conditions are so critical that material properties are not enough for guaranteeing an adequate safety level and additional solutions are needed. This is, for instance, the case of crack arresters, which prevent from wide rupture in case of gas pipeline failure. CSM knowledge in crack arresters design is worldwide recognized by world-leading gas companies and successfully applied in various projects. At the end, appropriate design must take into account the most catastrophic event. When operative severe conditions are foreseen, a full-scale test reproducing the full rupture is mandatory in order to understand how to properly design the line for minimizing the risk for safety and surrounding environment. CSM, Centro Sviluppo Materiale, boundless innovation.
We would like to acknowledge all our customers. Thanks to them, all this year, we were succeeded in improving safety and reliability of the oil and gas industry. Thank you.